Action.
Yay! Hello, people! So we people are from Vignan, as you can see, and we are going to have a fest which is on Jan 7 and 8. Okay, so the promotion is going to happen right today, right here, exactly. And you heard it right. People, celebrities from Tollywood are going to come. Anyways, take it happens. So she's going to tell us everything about who celebrities are going to come in. So Shruti?
Yeah, thank you, Neha. Hello, everyone. You're gonna have a great thing over this thing, and we have two celebrities tomorrow. That is Subhash Chandra Bose, who's a lyric writer, and Ravi Verma. He's an Tollywood artist, come actor. So those people are coming tomorrow, and today there are many trail shoots going on in and around Vignan.
Yay, fest time! And see, here
And
I'll be telling you all about things which are going to happen now and for so long days till January 7th and 8th. So like here you can see over here. Let me take a zoom in. Come.
Come,
Just
zoom,
take a
zoom.
So here's everything about the fest. There's every cultural activity which is there. Even the dub smash, dude. Even the dub smash, right?
And street plays, flash mob, mimes, skits, drama, short film, mainly rangoli, painting, lot many other things.
So
And we also
these are
gonna
the
have
posters.
sports things, sports events such as throwball, volleyball, cricket, and caroms, tennis, whatnot, everything.
All
Each and
these
everything.
things are going to happen in a cultural fest this time, which is Yuktara 2K17.
17.
Exactly, guys. So right now, this is our college arena. We are near the first seminar hall area.
One and this is two.
You can just see all around. This is so good right now. It's so calm and quiet right now because everybody is attending their college and class. Hours are going on for all the years.
And from tomorrow, the main fest starts of Vignan, and that is Yuvatarang 2K17. And all the people are cordially invited for it. And
So-
let's go to the mob practice.
Arena. Okay, right now we'll be just heading towards mob area because we have to show you guys what we people are going to do exactly for this mob which is going to happen tomorrow for the promotion. And don't forget guys, it's only for the promotion. You'll see a bigger version of it sooner because that's something like amazing. And guys, it will happen 2 days, right? Like 2 days. Okay, so next we go around in this area. It's like the, you know, this PE room and all. So this is the central area of a college. Yes, central area.
Yeah, this is a constructing. It is still ongoing on process of construction, and we are having 4 floors of building, and many more things are going to be constructed due to this Yuvatarang only. And yeah,
So hello, here over here right now you can see a small garden over here. People actually come here and sit sometimes, but then whenever they have to study or you know just chit chat or something, it's good. It's good. Like you know, it just happens this way. And come, Shruti, you can also join. She's going to tell more about the college because she really knows about it way
Yeah.
more than me as well.
yeah, as we are the final year students, we are studying 4th year, so we have a great bonding in this college. That is 4 years of bonding, and let us
4 years of bonding
and 4
together.
years of friendship also. And what else?
Okay, right now we'll be heading towards the mob arena. Okay, it's a bit watery here, but it's okay. People are actually, hi Dinesh, what's up? Okay, thank you. So
Okay,
yeah, those
let's
were our
not
friends.
waste the time. Let's go there.
Okay, cool.
And
So we are heading right now towards the, you know, this area is the most chit-chatting area
Because
of
this
all
is
the
the
time.
canteen, all stores.
Exactly. This is the canteen.
we are gonna have real fun over here. All the break times and all.
Exactly. This is like, and see, come. I'll show you one interesting thing. Tomorrow, this area is going to be where a flash mob is going to happen. So this area is where tomorrow flash mob is going to happen. Right now, it's all empty, all isolated.
And
because
this area is the best thing for any kind of events because whole college will be covered under this specific stage. See, you can have a great look all over the area.
It comes all the way
Tomorrow,
around.
all this area will be filled up with lots of crowd and people.
Yeah, this is the whole arena, guys. This is
And
the whole
tilt it
arena.
again. Tilt it down. Tilt down.
Right, exactly.
And yeah.
Come. So this
Come,
is the
let's go.
stage where we are standing right now, and tomorrow this is the same stage where celebrities are going to come. Yes, guys, Chandra Bose. Yes, the big guy Chandra Bose is going to come
Chandra Bose
tomorrow.
is an excellent lyric writer. He's a great singer and lyric writer. He had an award winning also, and he has many awards also on his part. And there are many exclusive surprises for all of you people. We are having a great
Exactly,
celebrities on the
As you
month.
can see, even on the poster right now. Oops, sorry. This is like 5 lakh, dude. It's a big amount, guys. It's a really big amount, and which is there for our, the Youth Tarang 2K17, which is going to happen on Jan 7th and 8th.
Yes.
But the internal or the intern. All the cultural activities and the sports activities are going to happen from tomorrow itself. So
And
you guys
also-
can register.
And register starts from 10th of this December, soon after the thing so-called promotion and all.
Exactly,
So
exactly.
let us give a look at these people. So yeah, you